Good morning. Thanks for joining me here for the big pre-blizzard get-together. I don't know, I'm out here by myself, actually hanging with the cows. So we're getting ready before this big supposed blizzard hits. Getting some cow chow moved around, just brought a couple wagons back from the fields, and now we're gonna go in and check on our ladies and our boys. In here, they're kind of patiently waiting. Not very patiently, but they are waiting for their special treat. They know when they hear the cows, or when they hear the tractor running, that I'm bringing a bale for them out there under their head gate feeder. So they get a special treat when I feed them their baleage or round bales out in their head gate feeder. And this is kind of twofold. It's very good for them. They're alfalfa pellets that we get at, well, I'm not gonna say the name of the store because I don't wanna give them any props, but yep, we even got our bull in here. This is Sledge. This is our little baby bull. Not such a baby anymore. He's gonna be 3 years old this year. This is our little bottle baby from about 5 years ago. Hi, Joy. Yes, she still loves her papa. Especially when I... So there they are. Now they're happy. They've got their special alfalfa pellets. Gives them a really good protein boost in addition to the baleage that we give them out back in the head gate feeder. If you haven't seen that yet, come on, let's go outside. I'll show you where we put the bales for them, or cow chow, as we like to call it. So this is the baleage, cow chow. Some people call them marshmallows. You see them lined up across fields. Inside there is wet hay. It's hay we make in a day. Obviously not when it's like this or we're expecting a blizzard, but we can mow it down in the morning, rake it by lunchtime, have it baled and wrapped by dinner time. All right, well, we got the plastic off, we got the net wrap off, and now we got to put it in the head gate feeder. So let's go. All right, well, we got the cow chow, baleage, wet hay, whatever you want to call it, in the head gate feeder. Tractor's put away, and now we're going to open up the fence here for the ladies who are patiently waiting outside the barn. Apparently they've already finished their alfalfa pellets, so we'll turn them loose so they can get into their buffet of hay. And we even put some alfalfa pellets down here for Impa and the younger ladies that are too young to be bred. They're down here in the separation pasture and they get taken care of just as well as the ones up in the other pastures.